Algebraic expressions. There are many different kinds of algebraic expressions. Today we are going to learn the expressions which are having the variable and have some power. For example, a. If there is no power on that, it means it having a power 1. Similarly, a the power 2 can be written as a times a. A the power 3 can be written as a times a times a. And if it's a the power n, that can be a times a shown up to a, and having n factor means shown up to a the power n. So here, this is up to n factor, so up to n. We can say that. So in this one, a is called the base and n is called the index or power of that variable. Similarly, in this one, if there is 2, that means it's to the power 1. If there is nothing at the top, so it means it's having power 1, which is equals to 2. And if it's 2 squared, that's 2 times 2. We know that that's 4. If it is to the cube, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to 8. And if it is to the power n, which is equals to 2 times so on up to 2, having the nth power, or we can say n factor. Let's do the division of the variables having powers. So division, when there is a division sign between the variables, how we can solve the questions? First of all, let's learn about division. If there is a variable a and the power n, divide by a the power m, that can be written as a the power n divide a the power m. This is equals to a times a shown up to a having n factor shown up to a the power n, divide a times a times a shown up to a the power m, or we can say m factor. So this one, n is greater than m. So this can be written as a the power n minus m. So that means if there is a divide sign between the variables, the powers will get subtract. So divide and subtract. Just need to learn this one. Divide between variables, the powers will get subtract. Let's do few questions related to that for more understanding. Let's assume one question, a the power 2 divide a the power 6. So in this one, we can write this as a the power 2 divided by a the power 6, which is equals to a the power a times a, because 2 times a, and 6 times we need to write a because it's a the power 6. And it's very easy to cut the numerator with the denominator in here. So 2 a's will cut at the bottom, so left over with 4 a's, or we can say 1 over a the power 4, or 4 times. Also, for increasing one step, we can write 4 times a, or a the power 4. And similarly, we can write it as a the power minus 4, because 1 over a the power 4, when it will go at the top, it will become minus 4. Let's do one more question. A the power 4 divided by a the power 8. That will become a the power 4 over a the power 8, which will be equal to 4 times. You can write a, or otherwise you can do a 4 take away 8, which is equals to a the power minus 4, because 4 take away 8 is minus 4, or 1 over a the power 4. It's one and the same thing. So in either way you can do. Or 4 times you want to write a, then if you can remember in this way, so both methods are correct. So 4 times you can write a, and 8 times you can write 8, and the numerator easily you can cut with the denominator if they are same. So leftover is 1 over a the power 4, which is exactly same the answer which we got at the top. So both ways are correct.